everyone. So as you can see, we have finished demolition and we have officially moved on to fabrication, which is my favorite part. I think it'll probably be your favorite part too, because you'll be able to see some stuff actually being built, which is great. But we used 2x2 tubing for that ladder structure that you saw. So it's 2x2 square tube. It's 3/16 thick, so it's very, very thick walled. Should give a lot of strength because it is going to have to support a decent amount of weight. I'm not so much concerned about how heavy the pizza oven's going to be. It is going to be made out of brick and cement and steel, but I'm more concerned about the force that's going to be put on it when driving around, bouncing around and stuff like that. So we went with just completely overkill 2-inch tube, 3/16 thickness, and then for the that stuff you saw me putting on the outside, that is 1x1 angle iron, and that's just an 1/8 inch thick. So what that is for is to hold the sheet metal in. I think the sheet metal is also an 1/8 inch thick, but I'm going to cut some sheet metal to fit perfectly in there and then fully weld it in. It's great because right now it's just bolted in, so that whole structure is just held in with 2 bolts at the front. I'm pretty sure you were able to see that. I'm pretty sure I showed you those. But what you're looking at right now is a 3D scan that I took on my cell phone of the fire truck. So I was able to just download an app, scan it. It's pretty amazing technology. I did this just to get an idea of what the finished project might look like. I built some structures around it made out of cardboard to see how big it might be, just to make sure, before I commit to building it out of steel, it's a lot easier to build something out of cardboard. So I put 3 12-inch pizza pans in there, see them, 1, 2, 3. And they fit pretty well. They were pretty comfy in there. You could probably get 3 or 4 12-inch pizzas with a decent sized oven in the back of it. So I'm very happy with how everything is turning out, and I'm very excited with this scan because, as you'll see coming up, I'm able to gloss it over and make it look like it's not cardboard, which is very cool. This is that. So this is it not glossed over, or this is it totally glossed over, excuse me. And you can see it just the way it looks. I'm very excited about this if you can't tell. It's very cool. It's going to be plenty big. I'm excited. So this should give you a good idea of what the finished product will look like. Yeah, alright. Well, thank you everyone for watching. Thank you all for all the support. I really appreciate it. As you guys know, I'm pretty new to YouTube, but I am learning. I'm figuring everything out. So thank you to my friend Perry, who gave me this, or who let me borrow his microphone so I could do this voiceover. It's been really fun learning how to edit and even stuff like this, screen record. I'm using I think it's an 8-year-old MacBook hooked up to a $200 monitor. My setup's not great, but I'm trying to put out the best quality that I can. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you want to see more, you can subscribe. If you saw in my last video, I did some camping. That was fun. But anyway, fire truck build is coming along nicely. Thank you so much. Good night.